So we secure the leases, secure the property. We do all the scouting. We hang all the stands that we feed. We do the feed. We do the trail. We hang the trail cameras. We sweat,
Pay for
blood.
the trail cameras.
We pay for
the subscriptions.
Yes, and the stands
and the maps.
Now, let me interrupt you, because here's the deal. Y'all keep it so secretive with the two of you guys. It's like, let's not tell him that we're doing this, and let's don't tell him that we got all these extra stands.
That's
and I have to find out secretly. And then I don't even get invited sometimes on the hunting trips until I find out that y'all are going, and then I just invite myself.
No, it's because we don't have the time. You won't come with us to hang them or find out where they are, and we don't have the time to take you to them every time we go or whatever.
Listen, I have fed you all the way up,
and I walked you to the
I know. I'm talking about, you guys, y'all need to be more polite and kind because of all the garbage I put up with the two of y'all.
I really did used to be a butt with it, and I've gotten a whole lot better. I've gotten a whole lot better. I'll walk in the stand.
Listen, you're backtracking.
No, there's that time you sent me out there and I can't even find the stand. It's somewhere out there. And so y'all wonder why I'm walking in the woods is because I don't even know where I am.
He's walked the path before, and I promise you, he will be like, all right, you're going to go down 100 steps. You're going to see a log that's fallen over. Right then, you take an immediate right. Then you're going to see a couple leaves that are dangling from this tree.
That's true.
You're going to shoot straight for it. You can't miss it. And like, there's no moon. It's dark. You can't see anything. You give me these, and I've told you, like,
I put out so many bright lights on trees that I've gotten calls from Atlanta International Airport saying you got to take some down.
It's borderline abusive the way y'all treat me. Y'all do. Okay, y'all don't take me to hang stands. You don't take me to scout out the places. But it is like clockwork that I get a bill. No. I get a text that says, hey, you owe $2,800 for all the corn. And I'm thinking, corn? I never hunt over corn because you jacklegs are always out there hunting over the corn. And then by the time y'all let me go, all the deer's been killed. And the only thing that's running around is the mangy little, does. But I get the bill of $25. And how is it that I get to pay your bill and I get to pay his bill and don't even eat the fruit of it? It's just the favor of the Lord whenever a deer walks by because y'all have ruined everything. I'm just being honest.
It's not favor. It is, we have done the work. All he has to do is drive up and listen. I about canceled him. What was it?